Sony A9 is the company's newest high-end mirrorless camera aimed at sports and professional photographers. The A9 comes with an all-new 24-megapixel full-frame BSI CMOS sensor and an impressive 693-point hybrid autofocus system. The AF points can be easily positioned using the AF joystick on the back of the camera, as well as by directly placing your finger on the tilting touchscreen. This is by far the fastest camera Sony's ever produced, capable of shooting at up to 20 frames per second even in RAW mode. That speed is made possible by way of a completely silent electronic shutter. You can also enter playback to check your images at any time, even after long bursts. The Sony A9 is also capable of shooting incredibly detailed 4K video, which it does using the full width of the sensor. It also shoots slow-motion full HD video using Sony's Slow and Quick feature. To speed up handling, the Sony A9 comes with new dedicated controls for drive and autofocus modes, and a larger capacity battery than previous A7 series cameras ensures you can capture thousands of burst images per charge. Despite its dust and weather-sealed construction, the Sony A9 remains a fairly compact camera. In all, the Sony A9 is an impressively powerful camera, well-suited for everything from sports and action to documentary photography. For more information on the Sony A9, visit dpreview.com. The Canon EOS Rebel T7i sits at the top end of the company's entry-level DSLR lineup. The T7i is targeted toward users who want an easy-to-use camera that offers advanced features that they can grow into. It features a 24-megapixel APS-C sensor and, for the first time on a Rebel, dual-pixel autofocus. Dual-pixel AF allows for quick focusing and reliable subject tracking in live view and movie mode, and the camera's fully articulating touchscreen lets you tap to focus. On the video side, the T7i can capture full HD video at 60p, and it has a jack for adding an external microphone. The Rebel T7i comes with Wi-Fi with NFC and Bluetooth. NFC allows for quick pairing with Android devices, while Bluetooth can send images to your smartphone as they're taken. The Canon EOS Rebel T7i offers a proven sensor and autofocus system and a broad feature set, making it a compelling choice for photographers seeking a compact yet powerful camera. For more information on the Canon EOS Rebel T7i, visit dpreview.com. The X-T2 is Fujifilm's flagship mirrorless interchangeable lens camera, aimed at hands-on photographers wanting a camera that can deliver good images in many different shooting situations. It comes with a new 24-megapixel X-Trans sensor, as well as extensive external controls and the same solid build as the previous generation X-T1. Excellent image quality and superb JPEG color make this a favorite for enthusiasts who prefer traditional controls and the color that Fujifilm cameras are famous for. A broad feature set, updated video and autofocus systems, and a large range of compatible lenses round out the X-T2's capabilities. In addition, Fujifilm's history of continuous improvement and firmware updates reassures us that the X-T2 will stay current. Our reservations about the camera are that some of Fujifilm's lenses may struggle to make the most of the new autofocus system, and the price point may be high for some. The X-T2 is aimed at people who want to take hands-on control of the photographic process, and this latest model is Fujifilm's most capable to date. For more information about the Fujifilm X-T2 and all things photographic, head to dpreview.com.
The Nikon D3400 is the company's entry-level DSLR camera. It's a modest update to the D3300 and uses the same 24-megapixel APS-C CMOS sensor, which offers very good image quality in both JPEG and RAW modes. The D3400 features Full HD video capture that, when paired with the updated kit lenses, offers smoother, quieter and more accurate focusing. The camera has an ISO range of 100 to 25,600, an 11-point phase detection autofocus system, and can shoot continuously at 5 frames per second. The D3400 also offers a guide mode that makes it easy for beginners to learn how to shoot in various situations. Additionally, images can be transferred from the camera to a smartphone via Nikon's SnapBridge service. All in all, the D3400 offers solid performance in a lightweight and very affordable package, with user-friendly operation that won't confuse or constrain a first-time DSLR buyer. For more information about the Nikon D3400 and all things photographic, head to dpreview.com.